Hello everybody, welcome. I am the old food guy. But today I'm going to be doing upside down chicken breasts in the George Foreman. The Aldi George Foreman. It's another experiment. See how good the George Foreman is from Aldi. It's £9.99p. I'll leave a link to the video. So let's get it seasoned and let's get it in. Right, with the chicken I've just done myself some smoked paprika, some pepper and some salt. Just got myself a bowl and I've got some one spray as well. So we're just going to get the chicken. Open the chicken up. Going to get a sliced piece of chicken. It's a big piece, that. Look at the size of that. It's massive. Look at the size of that thing. It's huge. Want to get me thing on to warm up. George Foreman. Just cut this excess off here. That can be going separate. And I want to cut this in half. Just watch your fingers when you do it. Like a butterfly. Like so. Just cut it in half. Then get your chicken in a bowl. Like so. Get yourself some one spray. Or some olive oil or whatever you use. We use this. Coat it over. Get a mix. So it's coated. Just get your seasoning on. Nice and simple. And mix away. Get it all coated up. There we go. Look how quick that took. Right, the George Foreman's warmed up now. Make sure you got your tray underneath, obviously. Nice and smoking. Some one stick on there. Carefully it doesn't splash at you. Just get your chicken in. I've never done it in here. I say this is brand new, so I don't know how long the chicken's going to take. We're going to stick it in and we're going to find out. There you go, close it up. And I reckon about 7 or 8 minutes. So we'll give it a few minutes and we'll check on it. Right, that's been in for about 10 minutes. So I'm going to have a look. I don't know whether it's cooked. Okay. Okay, is it cooked though? That's what I feel usually. That seems okay. Let me cut one open and check. Well, let's get one out and let's cut it in the middle and just see if it's cooked. I say I don't know. We'll soon find out. Say 10 minutes it's been in. Oh yes, perfect. Perfect. Maybe 9 might have done. Oh no, still very juicy. Still juicy, that's done. Okay. I'll dish it out and we'll taste it. Well, there we go. I put a bit of salad. Chicken salad. It looks quite nice, doesn't it? Only basic salad, lettuce, tomato, cucumber. But it's all in the taste of the chicken, isn't it? That's the one. It looks nice. 10 minutes, maybe 9 minutes would have been better. But say you trial and error. Oh, that's nice. A little bit dry, a fraction dry. Yeah, so as I say, maybe 9 minutes and it'd been perfect. But so that's just trial and error, you learn, don't you? Still nice though. So say, I am the old food guy. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Gotta go and eat this now. Getting hungry. Till the next time, see you later. Bye bye.